Hey Adam, book an appointment for tomorrow's product meeting.
Hey boss, the meeting for product has been scheduled for 4 December 2025 at 11 a.m. I'll also check the preparation needed and notify you if required. Thank you.
I don't need to open Gmail or dig through my calendar looking for a free slot. All I have to do is send an audio message to the AI and it handles the rest. It will check everyone's availability, find the perfect time, send out the invite, add the agenda, and even remind the team automatically. Now I will show you how to execute this automation step by step. Hi, this is a WhatsApp automation scenario. Basically, in this scenario, what we are doing is watching WhatsApp responses. Using OpenAI modules, we are getting the transcript and also generating the response instruction. Using that instruction, we have two routes. Initially, it will go to the upper route. It is basically creating an event in Google Calendar and sending back the audio and messages in WhatsApp. In the below route, it is sending emails. OpenAI analyzes the input audio from the user. According to that instruction, the scenario processes. Let me explain the whole scenario. This is our initial module, the watch module. It watches responses from WhatsApp. We need to set a WhatsApp connection through the Meta Developer account, and we also need to verify our business details. We can go to the Meta Developer website. This is the official website. Here you can see your app. You can create a new app by filling in the app name, use case, business details, requirements, and overview. After the app is created, you need to verify it. Once verified, we get credentials, and that's how we connect the WhatsApp account. From here, we watch responses from WhatsApp. Since we are getting audio input, we download it using the WhatsApp download module. Those details are passed to OpenAI to get the transcript. We map the file and give the prompt. According to that, OpenAI gives the response. We are also using another OpenAI module for generating instruction and output data. Here we give the user input and the system prompt. Based on that, OpenAI generates the response. The transcript is also given here. We have two route sections, result type 0 and result type 1. Result type basically means this. If the user gives a specific audio input, for example, asking to book an appointment, it becomes type 0. It will go through the upper route. If the instruction is to send an email, it will go through the bottom route, which is type 1. Now, coming to the upper route. Here, we are booking an appointment. We give the start date, end date, and duration of the meeting. Then we split the flow. Initially, we send a message through WhatsApp. This is the send message module. We pass the receiver number and the text body. The meeting is scheduled, meeting details, and also the meeting link from Google Calendar. In the below part of the upper route, we use 11 Labs. It basically generates text to audio. We can choose whatever voice we need and can even clone our own voice. We choose the model we want. From the OpenAI module, we pass audio output text to 11 Labs. It generates the audio. Here, we use a converter to convert the audio format because from 11 Labs, the audio comes as MP3. For WhatsApp, Opus format is needed for voice notes. After converting, we upload the media to WhatsApp and send the reply message. Here, we are not using the official module. We are working through an HTTP module. This follows the WhatsApp API documentation. From the official API documentation for sending voice messages, we need to set voice true. That is why we use the HTTP module. When we set voice true, it comes as a proper voice note. If voice is false, it comes as a normal audio file. This is the basic difference. In the official WhatsApp module, we can only send the normal audio format. If we want to send real voice notes, we need to use the HTTP module and follow the documentation for how to pass all the details. Now coming to the bottom route, this is the email sending section. Here type is 1. For the email, we generate the subject and HTML body using the OpenAI module. The audio file is given to OpenAI and this response is generated. Here also we are using 11 Labs. We choose the audio and give the text for output message through WhatsApp. We convert the audio in the same way as in the upper route. The only difference here is that we are sending an email along with the WhatsApp confirmation. The audio is uploaded to WhatsApp. The response is given through the HTTP module send message. We pass the required parameters. Guys, this is our scenario. I hope you understand everything. If you have any doubt or any requirement, feel free to contact us. Thank you. This is how you use AI to make your life easier. Put in the right space and it will save hours of your time. Subscribe for more AI automations.